Okay, soon after you connect the battery, the camera will start recording. It records when that blue LED is flashing. Now it's flashing, so now it's recording the video, but the video file will always lose 5 seconds from the end of the clip if you simply disconnect the battery. If you stop the video using the button on the right side, that one where my finger is, then the video will stop normally and you will not lose anything. But if you simply disconnect the power from the entire drone and including the Runcam Split 2, then you will lose 5 seconds from the last portion of the video. Okay, that's the memory card of the Runcam Split 2, and the video is there that I just created. It has contents also. That's me in front of the camera. So if you unplug the battery, you're not losing the entire video, you're just losing a small portion of the end.